What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Toyota Supra unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2022 Toyota Supra in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and the Supra's locked. The first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the side that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. And we're just going to set that to the side for a second. Now we're taking a look at the driver's door handle. We're going to remove this little cap right here. How I'm going to do that is just pull the door handle out, and if you get your finger behind it, you can just kind of push on it and it'll come out like that. So I just got my finger behind there and pushed like that, comes right out. And then put this somewhere where we won't lose it. Now we'll grab our emergency key. And if we look in here, you can see there's a key cylinder in there. So what I'm going to do is put my emergency key in there. And then I'm going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock. And now's a good time to go ahead and throw the emergency key back in our key fob, just so we don't lose it. And normally I would wait till after to put this cap back on, but we'll just take a look at how to get this door cap back on now before we even open the door. So taking a look at this cap, you see there's kind of this bigger tab here, and then there's this smaller tab right here. I'm going to start this smaller side in on the right-hand side. So it'll tuck in there like that, and then it just clips into place. So as soon as we open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to stop the alarm from going off is we need to start the Supra. How we're going to start our vehicle with a dead key fob is we're going to get in and we're going to hold it on the right-hand side of the steering column. There's a little key icon that we're going to hold it to, and then we'll be able to start it as normal. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly, and the alarm's going to be going off. All right, let's give it a shot. So get in, hold the key right here, press the brake, and then the stop-start button. And then you'll be ready to drive as normal, and you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. So taking a little closer look at this right-hand side of the steering column, you can see that little key icon there. So I just held it there, and then press the brake, stop-start button, and it'll stop the alarm. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.